Most people think making money online is complicated. But what if I told you I made $5,000 online by following a simple system? No luck, no shortcuts, just a clear process. In this video, I will show you exactly how I did it, step by step, so you can follow the same method. Let's start with step one. Step one is choosing the right method. Instead of trying 10 different things, I focused on one simple idea: offering services using AI tools. I used ChatGPT to create content like scripts, emails, and blog posts. This saved me time and made my work faster. Step two is learning a basic skill. You don't need to be an expert. I just learned simple content writing and basic design using Canva. Within a few days, I was ready to offer services. Step three is choosing a platform to sell your service. I used Fiverr to create my gigs. I made a simple profile, added a clear description, and listed my services. At first, I didn't get any orders, but I stayed consistent. Step four is getting your first client. To get noticed, I kept my prices low in the beginning. This helped me get my first order. Once I completed it successfully, I got a good review, and that changed everything. Step five is scaling your income. After getting a few clients, I increased my prices. I also started using more AI tools to complete work faster. This allowed me to handle more clients and earn more money. Slowly, I reached $5,000. Now here is the most important part. This did not happen overnight. It took consistency, patience, and daily effort. Most people quit too early. But if you stick to one method and improve every day, you can achieve the same results. If you want to start making money online, pick one skill, use AI tools, and stay consistent. Subscribe to Money Magnet for more